Guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch the treasure crab in Fish 8 Roblox. So the treasure crabs is one of the coolest and most rewarding catches in Fish 8. And this is also a new species in the new Fish 8 updates on the Pirate Cove. And this one is a legendary fish tire, and it also might be required when you do the daily quest. You need to catch this legendary crab, and let me show you the exact location where you can get this fish. So as for the exact location, first of course you need to head into the Pirate Cove, and as for me, I'm using the element road to catch the fish, and with the singularity bait. And as for the location, I fish inside the island in here. In the middle of the island, you'll see a little pool that you can do fishing, and this is where I got the treasure crab. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.